Ladies and gentlemen, in my video guide, I will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-up windows that come from the website Cleaningupdate.xyz. Cleaningupdate.xyz. This is a deceptive website that may periodically attack your Google Chrome and other browsers. Cleaningupdate.xyz says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. Some people may be, of course, quite scared with all such deceitful messages. They might think that indeed something bad is happening with their PCs, and they may follow the guidelines of these pop-ups. However, keep in mind that this is a typical deception. You should not interact with these deceptive pop-ups. Cleaningupdate.xyz is a malicious site. It is not related to any decent security software. It may use the name and the logos of some decent and well-known security applications. However, once again, these pop-ups are not connected to that decent security program, so you shouldn't interact with them. The occurrence of these pop-ups on your computer and through your browser may be the trace of some adware to be currently enabled in the system. We recommend you to automatically examine your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. And the best solution to get it is on the website, the official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.